Hello, hello, hello. Today we're looking at Journal Drop, which is a recent release from the Patreon modules. May not be so recent when you listen to and watch this video, but we will see what it does. The feature is kind of simple yet effective, as a lot of my modules. Now I have this handout, this journal from the second level of the Dungeon of the Mad Mage, that works very well with Journal Drop, but for copyright reasons, I'm not gonna use it. I'm instead gonna use a README from Bailwiki, yes. And as you can see, you will have a new button, which is the split drop thing. What it does is very simple. So you have your little journal. Let's pretend this is like 1A, 2A, 1B, like maybe it has some names, doesn't really matter. What the module does, it will search for the headers, which are special HTML tags. So I'm going to show you what this is, just to go a bit more in depth. Basically, if I go in here, you will see that these things have an H tag, like H1, H2, H3. And these are the ones used by the module. So you can see that each one of these titles are enclosed by these tags. Now, if I click this, it will ask me, give me the separator tag, but you can leave empty for auto. So let's leave it auto. There we go. If you leave it to auto, it will automatically try to understand which tags between H1, H2, and H3 is like the most prevalent in the journal, and use that one to make the split thing. So that's it. And the beautiful thing is that this will not actually, it's called split drop because it splits it down, but it will not create additional journals. Like, it will not touch your journals at all. They will stay as they were. So now we can close this, and we can see that this has been dropped and split into all its headers. And if I double click here, it will open your original journal. So all of these pins are all linked to the same journal. And when you open them, they will scroll down to whatever the header is and bring you to the point that you need. This module also has another neat feature. And basically, it's in here. So if we go to our notes, we have this button, which is the toggle tooltips. If we enable this, you will see that we get these little tooltips with the content of those sections. So this is only the section in question, without the title, because we don't really need it. There is a lock button, and you can lock it. And if we move the canvas, it should, unfortunately, it's still a bit early access, but in theory it should follow and stay where it is. There you go. That one got stuck for some reason. But it will follow and stay wherever you left it. So you can have like journals and pin them down. Keep in mind that this is like kind of finicky because I don't know how technical I can get, but this is CSS, so it's part of the web page, while the stuff on the background is Pixie. So interacting with the positions between the two is always kind of a bit finicky. That's why generally you don't do it, but sometimes it works. But anyways, you get the nice over effect, and you can read it quickly without like opening the full page journal if you want. Outside of this, you will also be able to change stuff. So if you want to change any of this stuff, even the label, you can change it. Doesn't matter, it will still link to the correct section. But if you change it in here, the link will be broken, basically. By default, the split will drop them in the middle of your map because, to be honest, you're going to have to place them anyways, so I didn't really build some kind of placement tool. So it drops them there, and then you can just plonk them around. So this has been Journal Drop. I hope you enjoy, I hope it makes your life easier, and have fun.